how to turn on or turn off announce notifications for any app on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's return back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And from the home screen, tap on Settings. Now in the Settings page, we scroll down and then tap on Notifications. After that, we scroll down to the Notification Style section and then tap on an app that you would like to modify. For example, I'm going to tap on FaceTime. Then we scroll down to the Announce section and tap on Announce Notifications. In here, tap on the toggle button for the Announce Notifications. Tap on it to turn it on or switch it off. And here it says when you turn this on, have Siri read out notifications from the name of the app, FaceTime. Siri will avoid interrupting you and will listen for responses after reading notifications. And in the Announce section, you can choose to announce only time-sensitive notifications or all notifications. So you can select which option, and after you can tap on the back key, swipe up to return back to the home screen. Now, if you would like to apply the change to other apps as well, you can go back in settings and then in that notifications page, you can select other apps such as messages. Then we go down and tap on announce notifications and tap on the toggle button to turn it on or switch it off. And that's it. Finally, you can swipe up to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.